Shop Talk. This is that prototype Stihl in a 050 AV frame. It's the 075 motor with the removable head, very similar to a Mac 101B, how their head is removable. This was approximately 38 years old, was a prototype test saw, and we'll take a close-up look at some of the features it has. Kill switch is right on top. Choke's on the right there. Has a decompression valve, very nice feature on this high compression engine. And the fuel reservoir is right here. Has wrap handlebars, oil reservoir up front. It's got a very vintage Oregon bar, and that is a 29-inch. That's the bar it came out with when it was being tested. And that is a sprocket nose, 4 rivet. And the bar tensioner, loosen the 2 bar nuts up. Right on the inside is the bar tensioner. Just a very unique chainsaw, very great shape.